You wake up most mornings feeling mentally foggy and completely drained, even after what seemed like a full night of sleep. That morning fog never fully lifts POW, so your concentration slips faster than it should, and routine tasks feel mentally exhausting. But the damage goes deeper than fatigue. Your memory is now slipping too, and once familiar words escape you completely. Your brain is not simply aging, it may actually be drowning in toxic waste that deep sleep should be clearing. Right now, tonight, your brain is either actively flushing out dangerous waste proteins or letting them slowly build up inside. Those uncollected waste proteins quietly accumulate deep inside your brain tissue for years and are directly linked to Alzheimer's disease. The brain's internal cleaning system removes up to 60% more accumulated waste during deep sleep than while you are awake.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice from your doctor. In 2012, researchers made a groundbreaking discovery. A previously unknown cleaning system called the glymphatic system exists inside your brain. We had wrongly assumed for decades that the brain lacked any traditional lymphatic waste clearance network inside its tissue whatsoever. This biological mechanism relies on specialized glial cells that physically shrink during your deepest slow-wave sleep stages every single night. Cerebrospinal fluid then flows through the expanded spaces between your neurons, washing away dangerous accumulated waste proteins completely. These specific proteins, including amyloid beta and tau, are directly associated with the development of Alzheimer's disease over many decades. Understanding how this system works and what destroys it is the most important brain health knowledge you can possess right now.
Many adults over 50 unknowingly have obstructive sleep apnea (PRO), and this condition silently destroys your brain's nightly cleaning cycle. Most people dismiss their snoring and daytime fatigue as completely normal aging without ever suspecting a treatable sleep disorder exists.
Many older adults may unknowingly have obstructive sleep apnea that fragments their sleep quality every single night without obvious symptoms. When breathing interruptions occur repeatedly, you experience brief awakenings that completely disrupt your deep sleep cycles throughout the night. Your brain, therefore, never reaches the sustained deep sleep stages it critically needs for effective waste protein clearance each night. Your brain may not receive the sustained slow-wave activity that it needs for effective waste clearance every single night of rest. Untreated sleep apnea has been shown to significantly increase your risk for cognitive changes and measurable decline over many years. If you snore regularly or feel excessively tired during the day, ask your primary care doctor for a sleep apnea screening today. Sleep studies are now available as home tests and may be covered by Medicare with a simple doctor referral for eligible patients. The critical point is that treating sleep apnea with CPAP therapy can dramatically restore your deep sleep quality almost immediately.
Your bedroom temperature directly controls how much deep sleep your brain gets, yet most people sleep in rooms far too warm. Dropping your core body temperature is the specific physiological signal that triggers your brain to enter deep, slow-wave sleep tonight.
Your brain transitions into deep, slow-wave sleep more easily when your core body temperature drops by approximately 1 to 2 degrees. Sleeping in a warm bedroom actively prevents this critical temperature drop and makes deep sleep stages much harder to achieve overnight. Sleep experts universally recommend keeping your bedroom temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal deep sleep quality tonight. This cool environment specifically supports your body's natural thermoregulatory sleep signals and helps you rest significantly more deeply overall. When conditions are right, your brain is more likely to transition into deep sleep and activate its critical cleaning processes overnight. Consider using a quality cooling mattress pad or adjusting your thermostat lower to directly support better deep sleep conditions tonight. A warm bath taken 60 to 90 minutes before bed paradoxically accelerates core body cooling through peripheral vasodilation effectively. This simple free intervention produces one of the most dramatic and immediate improvements in measurable deep sleep quality for you.
Regular physical exercise is free and available to everyone, yet most people have no idea it directly enhances brain cleaning overnight. Movement during your waking hours may be the single most effective way to support your glymphatic system every single night of sleep.
Regular physical exercise during your waking hours has been shown to significantly enhance glymphatic system function while you sleep. Cardiovascular movement specifically promotes healthy cerebral blood flow and supports better vascular function throughout your entire aging brain. This improved vascular health directly supports a stronger brain cleaning mechanism that activates more effectively each night you actually sleep. People who exercise regularly also experience significantly deeper and more restorative slow-wave sleep cycles compared to sedentary adults overall. A simple, brisk 30-minute morning walk may provide powerful and measurable protective neurological benefits every single day for your brain. Movement is truly one of the most effective and most accessible health strategies available for supporting your long-term brain health today. The timing matters. Morning or afternoon exercise improves deep sleep, while exercise within 2 hours of bedtime can actually reduce it. Combining regular exercise with proper sleep conditions creates a powerful synergistic effect that maximizes your brain's nightly cleaning cycle.
The way you physically lie down in bed may directly affect how efficiently your brain clears toxic waste during sleep every night. Most people have never considered that their sleeping posture could actually influence their long-term risk of cognitive decline significantly.
Recent research suggests that your physical sleeping posture may significantly impact your glymphatic clearance efficiency during overnight sleep. Some clinical imaging studies specifically indicate that sleeping on your side may optimize cerebrospinal fluid flow through brain tissue. This improved fluid movement appears to actively flush amyloid beta and tau proteins from your brain tissue more completely. Sleeping flat on your back or on your stomach may actually reduce the efficiency of this critical nightly cleaning process significantly. If you want to specifically support healthy brain function, developing a consistent side sleeping habit may be genuinely protective overall. The left lateral position in particular has shown the most promising results for enhancing glymphatic drainage efficiency during deep sleep. Combining proper sleep position with cool room temperature and regular exercise creates the optimal conditions for effective brain cleaning. These lifestyle factors work together synergistically to maximize the amount of toxic waste your brain can clear every single night.
Prescription sleeping medications help millions of people fall asleep, yet they may not activate the brain cleaning process at all. Artificial sedation does not always replicate the complex electrical patterns of genuine, restorative, natural, deep, slow-wave sleep stages.
Prescription sleeping medications work through fundamentally different mechanisms than the natural sleep processes occurring inside your healthy brain. Artificial sedation does not always replicate the complex slow-wave electrical patterns that are associated with genuine restorative natural sleep. Some sleep medications may not effectively trigger the slow-wave neural oscillations that are specifically associated with brain waste cleaning. You might be unconscious for 8 hours, yet your brain's waste clearance processes may be significantly less active than natural deep sleep. For some patients, sleep medication prescribed by a qualified doctor can genuinely help improve overall sleep quality and total duration. Optimizing natural sleep hygiene first is the recommended clinical strategy before considering any pharmacological sleep intervention at all today. If you currently take sleep medications, never stop them abruptly without discussing a gradual tapering plan with your prescribing doctor. The goal is to support the deepest and most restorative natural sleep possible through every available lifestyle modification first tonight.
Many older adults use evening alcohol to relax and fall asleep. Yet alcohol actively destroys the sleep your brain needs most. While alcohol acts as a sedative, research shows it severely disrupts your sleep architecture throughout the entire second half of night.
Many older adults use evening alcohol specifically to help them wind down and fall asleep faster after a long, stressful day. While alcohol acts as an effective sedative, research clearly shows it can severely disrupt your sleep architecture throughout the entire night. Alcohol may suppress your ability to reach the deeper, slow-wave sleep stages that your brain desperately needs for cleaning every night. Your brain's waste clearance appears to be significantly less effective when your overall sleep quality is compromised by alcohol consumption. The metabolic waste generated during the day may remain significantly longer in your neural tissue when deep sleep is disrupted overnight. Chronic evening alcohol use has been specifically linked to accelerated cognitive changes and measurable brain volume loss over extended time. Avoiding alcohol within 3 hours of bedtime is one of the most impactful single changes you can make for your brain health. Even moderate amounts of alcohol consumed in the evening reliably suppress deep sleep stages and impair your brain's cleaning cycle.
Your brain's waste clearance is most active during one specific sleep stage, calm, and most adults over 50 are not getting enough. Without sufficient deep, slow-wave sleep, your brain simply cannot complete the nightly cleaning cycle that prevents Alzheimer's disease development.
The glymphatic system shows dramatically less activity during light sleep stages or during rapid eye movement sleep phases each night. Research confirms it is most active during the deepest slow-wave stages of your nocturnal sleep cycle, specifically stage 3 deep sleep. During slow-wave sleep, your neural oscillations help drive the cerebrospinal fluid circulation that washes throughout your entire brain tissue. Without these synchronized electrical brainwaves, the waste clearance process becomes significantly less efficient and leaves more residue behind. If you frequently wake up during the night, your brain may not complete the optimal cleansing cycles it desperately needs for protection. Deep sleep plays the most critical and well-documented role in supporting your long-term cognitive health and memory consolidation processes overall. Adults over 50 naturally lose up to 70% of their deep sleep, making active sleep optimization absolutely essential right now. Every specific intervention in this video targets the precise physiological mechanisms that restore and protect your deep sleep quality tonight.
Every night you prioritize deep sleep, you directly support your brain's natural and irreplaceable cleaning cycle against Alzheimer's disease proteins. Most people never take these specific steps because they assume poor sleep is simply an inevitable consequence of normal aging today. Your brain has a powerful self-cleaning process, and it requires the right sleep conditions and healthy habits to actually work effectively. Start improving your sleep environment tonight. Protecting your brain health is the most important thing you can do right now. Subscribe, tap like, and share this video with someone whose long-term brain health you genuinely care about protecting right now. Drop a comment below to tell, how many hours of sleep do you actually get on a typical night this past week?